Well, hello everyone. Today is an extremely exciting day as it finally marks the release of Central Control version 3. After showing a sneak preview of this at IBC, we are now ready to bring this to all of my Central Control family. Anyway, let's talk about the features. We don't have too long, so I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite features. The main window interface has been completely redesigned, not only to look good, but to also be more functional. At a glance, you can now see the state of every device in your project, so no more wondering why something wasn't working, only to then realize that the device was never actually turned on. The control and trigger mapping buttons also now blink to indicate that either a control or trigger event has been received, making it obvious which device you want to be mapping. During the recording of one of our excellent tutorial videos just a few months ago, Ollie decided we need a teleprompter. We bought a teleprompter kit and then set about trying to find some teleprompter software we liked, but couldn't quite find anything that was suitable for our needs. And so the Central Control teleprompter was born. Now, I'm actually using this right now as I shoot this very video. The prompter reads its script from either a Word or a Google Doc and automatically updates when that document is updated. If a line is enclosed in asterisks, it will create what we're calling an action line. This will be shown in the prompter with a red background. Action lines can then easily be exported to Central Control triggers with just a couple of clicks, allowing you to use the prompter and your script to automate your production. In our IBC demo, we had a demo set up where when it hit this VT roll line, it would roll playback of a video in vMix, pause the teleprompter, and then we set up a trigger on the vMix module that when that video finished, it would resume playback of the teleprompter, dissolve back, and the show continues. So for output, we can either output full screen using your graphics card or to NDI, or if you'd like, both at the same time. It goes without saying that the teleprompter supports all your favorite controllers in Central Control. Right now, I'm actually using a foot pedal to control the speed of the prompter. Camera control has been a long requested feature in Central Control, and we now have support for pan tilt zoom cameras using either the Visca or NDI. When a camera that is using NDI is selected, or a Visca camera with an accompanying NDI stream, you can select this in the device settings, and Central Control will use that to grab snapshots when you store a position preset. Once that's done, you can display these on your Stream Deck keys for fast and intuitive recall of your presets. The Command Delegator is the evolution of version 2's Command Splitter. The big difference here is that the Delegator allows for much more dynamic control. You can select up to 8 devices of the same type and then map your commands to your controller just once. No messing around with layers to control multiple devices. Then dynamically you select the devices. This can be done using either a solo or a toggle. Solo lets you choose one at a time. Toggle lets you select multiple. The most obvious application for this is to control multiple pan tilt zoom cameras from a single controller. However, the Command Delegator works just as well for controlling multiple vMix systems, hyperdecks, or just about any other device in Central Control. The web panel lets you create a custom controller for Central Control and then access it from any web browser, be it a computer, a phone, or a tablet. The web panel supports multiple views, which each have their own set of widgets. So you could create a view for each kind of device you wanted to control, or a different view for each member of your production crew, allowing them to access only the bits they need. If you create a URL and specify a view name, you can in fact lock them to a certain view, stopping those pesky producers from changing your video router routing configuration. The web panel is a great solution for remote control from any browser, tablet, or phone. That's going to do it for this video. As ever, for a full list of changes, please take a look on our website. Central Control version 3 is available right now at the cost of $249 for Elite, $149 for Pro, and just $79 for Intro. Thank you very much for watching this video. Remember to give us a follow on all of the socials. It's at This Is Central Control. We'll see you next time.